Nowadays, security issues are a really important part of our future. Globally, investment in AI startups continues its steady ascent. From a total of $1.3 billion raised in 2010 to over $40 billion in 2019. Funding has increased at an average annual growth rate of over 48%. 58% of large companies surveyed report adopting AI in at least one function or business unit in 2019, up from 47% in 2018. Only 19% of large companies surveyed say their organizations are taking steps to mitigate risks associated with the explainability of their algorithms. And 13% are mitigating risks to equity and fairness, such as algorithmic bias and discrimination. When you develop something, the first thing you do for safety is prevention. But is it enough? It's hard to prevent all security issues while developing. We honestly do not know the problems of the future, and we always have blind spots in what we develop. And the really big problem of recent years, the amount of information that needs to be analyzed is constantly growing. The only possible technique to work with a huge amount of data is machine learning. And AI-based systems should be robust, secure, and safe throughout their entire life cycle. So that in conditions of normal use, foreseeable use or misuse, or other adverse conditions, they function appropriately and do not pose an unreasonable safety risk. And here is the question: how security can impact on machine learning industry, and how machine learning can help security. So we gather people from all over the world, from the industry and high-quality academia, to share their knowledge with the community. During this section, our speakers will tell you about the offensive and defensive parts of machine learning, how to protect huge services from rapidly growing webbots, how to analyze security events in a more intellectual way, and save time for the specialists, about vulnerabilities and attacks on deep learning systems from the real practice of pen testing such projects, about data privacy problems, federated learning and its problems. Welcome to the parallel world of security challenges. Stay tuned with ads to know the section date.